Hey there, Greta Vogel here with EDM Network to show you just how simple these FastWire EDMs are to run. Now, while we offer over 6 different models, the following instructions are applicable for the most part to each machine. The first step is loading the build plate into the machine. You'll see here that we are using our EDM Network vise to help secure the build plate. Once the build plate's locked in and secured, you're ready for the next step. Next, you will need to use the hand jog box to move the wire into position. Next, it's time to edge find. This is important because you need to know where your zero or starting point is. You have to touch off on the build plate using the auto touch off procedure, then set your zero. Then move the wire off the build plate 10 thousandths. Next, you touch off on the part. These 2 steps will give you your starting point. Now on to program setup. We start by going to manual mode to create our shape. For this video, we are programming a line. Next, select module. Here you will have choices such as line, circle, rectangle. We are going to choose line for this video. Choose your direction and distance next. For this example, our line length is 270 millimeters. Next, go to your power settings, select setup, HF, and for this video, we are choosing 1 cutting pass. Always select OK when complete. If it says setup success, you are good to go. Next, click start to start the wire and the pump. Then we hit start for program start. You will notice that when the flush starts, it's not high powered. The water just needs to flow. These EDMs are not flush dependent, meaning they do not require high pressure flushing or submerged cutting to achieve faster speeds. One reason these are called fast wire EDMs is due to their use of molybdenum wire, also known as moly wire. This moly wire runs at about 5 meters per second. Unlike conventional wire EDMs, this moly wire is reused continuously. Typically, this 7/1000 of an inch moly wire will last about 25 to 40 hours of continuous cutting, depending on the project, at a total consumable cost of $1 an hour. We offer these FastWire EDMs in 6 different sizes and configurations. We offer both vertical models and horizontal submerged models. Here is an example of one of our horizontal submerged models and another example of a very large capacity horizontal submerged model. The front cover of this machine is off to give you a better idea of what the inside looks like. For demonstration purposes, we are cutting the same build plate that was filmed earlier for this video, but in the horizontal position, although this machine can handle much bigger build plates than this. These FastWire EDMs are not just for the 3D additive market, but for any EDM application with difficult flushing conditions, interrupted cuts, tall cuts, dissimilar metals, and more. They are full 4-axis wire EDMs that can cut punches, dies, tools, fixtures, and more. They offer built-in 3-pass cutting technology, tapering up to 5 degrees, and have a built-in CAD system. Remember, we also include on-site setup and training at your location at no additional cost. Now, enjoy a few more videos and photos of other projects that showcase the capabilities of these FastWire EDMs.